Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Your girl D Chanel here. Today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, or Galentine's Day if you're me, day look using the Strawberry Dream palette by Lunar Beauty. That is Manny MUA's brand. Also using his new faux mink lashes. So let's go ahead and get right in. First of all, I primed with the P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 8, and then I am going in with the shade Storm Cloud, which is a dark burgundy, and I'm going in with that on an M124 from Morphe to cut out the crease, giving it a little bit of shape here. This is my fourth time using this palette, and boy do we got a learning curve. Oh, sorry. Next we're going in with Strawberry Moon to blend that out. But yeah, as I was saying, boy, this palette got a learning curve. The first two times I used it with my NARS, my NARS eyeshadow base, which is light, so that, you know, things pop on top of it. And that was not the move. I guess I should not have done that, because every time I did it, I just felt like it looked ashy and just... maybe I'll try and recreate those looks for you guys at another point, but I did not like them. So this is attempt number 4. And just a heads up, I do like this a lot better this time. So next I'm going in with the shade Skyline, which is like a peachy pink shade, to again blend that out. Just make sure we have a nice gradient going here. Want to make sure everything is blended and nice and fantabulous. Gonna do the other eye off camera. And now we are back, and I am going to be using my NARS eyeshadow base. You know, hopefully 4th time's the charm here. But I'm just using that as a base for the color that I'm going in with on my lid. I guess you could say I'm cutting the crease. Granted, we already have the crease shape and it's already cut. I'm just going in, you know, to make sure that the shade that we're going in with doesn't blend too much in with my skin tone, because it is a lighter shade, so we want to put something light under it so that it shows up appropriately. So I'm just blending that out. I'm using another M124. I have 2 of them. And then I'm going in with the shade Cloudy, which is like the strawberry milk color. And I'm just putting that all over the lid. This is an all matte eyeshadow look because I love those. And again, I'm going to do the other eye off camera. So next, we are going in with a hot pink. Yes, I said it. A hot pink liquid lipstick that is eye safe. And I'm going in with that on a Suva Beauty. I think it's the 610 brush. It says like the letters 6 and then it says 10 instead of like 610. I don't know why. Maybe they're trying to be fancy. But it's the 610 brush, and I'm just going in and lining my crease with that hot pink shade because I wanted to add a little bit of graphic liner in there, you know. Make it a little bit extra. I like to be extra, so we're just gonna make it a little bit extra. And I want to go ahead and apologize. I think I've already done it a couple times now, but I'm still trying to figure out this whole camera situation here, you know. So every now and then my head will just slide down out of the frame. I apologize. Okay, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it. I promise I'm gonna work on it. But y'all, it was hard. And I'm horrible, and I naturally slouch. So when I do my eyeshadow, I slouch. But I'm sorry. Yeah. But lining my eyes. Now that both sides are lined to perfection, we are gonna get into the next step, which is lashes. All right, so we've got that liner on there, and now we're going in with the Lunar Beauty Foam Ink Lashes in the style Nova. I just popped those on real quick. And then we are going to prime the face with the Milk HydroGrip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers, and I use it every time I do my makeup, so yeah. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Grayness Reducer Step 1 Primer. It's like an orange color corrector. I don't really know how it acts as a primer because I was using it as a color corrector, which is why I put it over primer, but I mean, it feels just like moisturizer, so I'm sure it would be fine. And then next, we are going in with my faves, the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation in the shade Spiced Rum, and the AURIC, what is this called? The Glow Lust in the shade Goldstone. And I'm just blending that out with a damp sponge all over the face. I figured, you know, Valentine's Day, you want to be as flawless as possible. And my Too Faced foundation makes me feel flawless, okay? Flawless. And I like some dew. So that's why I added the Glow Lust in there. I just mixed them together on the back of my hand. All right, so next up is concealer, and I'm using my Pat McGrath concealer in the shade MD26. And I'm getting my powder set up so I don't get any creasing. So what I like to do is under my eyes, I blend out the edges of my concealer before I blend out the inner corner. So I make sure it blends into my foundation. And then I go in on the inner corners just so it has a little bit more time to sit. And I blend that in last. And then I go in with my powder. I do not bake. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder, but I do not bake. I just press it into my under eyes because I'm a dry skin gal and don't nobody need no dryness on Valentine's Day, okay? You gotta look flawless, not crusty. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer of all of my bronzers. And this is the shade Mocha Mommy. I'm trying so very hard to hit pan on this thing. Like, I use it almost every day, and you'd think I would have hit pan on it by now, but apparently not. Apparently, it's very, very resilient. So, we're just using this all over the face, the temples, the cheekbones. I use a little bit under my jaw, and also on the sides of my nose to, I'm using air quotes here, contour, because I don't really know how to contour well. So, yeah. And then next, we are using the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush, and She's That Girl. It's like a soft pink, peachy pink. I think it's peachy. It's not described as pink peachy, but I think it is. So with this blush, it's really odd. You're supposed to go in with the powder first and then the cream on top. So that's what I did, and it really made the cream pop to put it on top of the powder. And then also it gave a little bit more of a glow, which is what I was going for. I was going for a glowy, dewy, nice looking look. Okay. And then we are going to go in with the AURIC Glow Lust in a different shade, in the shade Citrine, as a highlight base on my cheekbones. And apparently I am feeling my highlight so far. I'm over here dancing and having a happy good time. And I ended up just putting that like everywhere because you can never have too much highlighter, okay? And then I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill, the Flash palette. And I want to say I'm going in with the shade Iced. I'm just checking here for you. Yep, the shade Iced, which is my favorite shade, my most used shade in that palette. So I'm not sure why I had to check, but you know, just checking. And you can see how on top of that cream, it just beams, y'all. I'm just beaming. Look at me. I love highlights sometimes. Sometimes I don't, but sometimes I do. So now we're going to go ahead and do the under eye. The under eye for this look is very, 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 very simple, okay? We are going in again with Storm Cloud, which is that dark burgundy color. And we're just putting that on the lower lash line with the same M124 brush. My flat brush is dirty. It has like lipstick or something on it, so I have to go clean it. So I'm using this brush instead today. Just packing that color on. Hi, cat. Oh Lord. Okay, and then I'm going in with the shade Pink Flash, which is the hot pink, again with the M506. I wanted to tie in the hot pink on the top with the hot pink and tie it in on the bottom. Honestly, it looks like I just took those same other shades and, you know, smoked it out like I did on the top, but that's not what I did. I was going for hot pink, mixing the hot pink in. So that's what we're gonna say happened. Next, we are going in with some black eyeliner. This is the Fenty, I don't remember what this is called, like the fly pencil or something, in the shade Black, or 'Cause I'm Black, I think. I'll put it in the description down below. 'Cause I'm Black, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just going in and running that on my lower lash line because I love me a black lower lash line. That's what I do. It's either black or blue, one of the two. Next, I'm going in with the Lancome Idole mascara, and I'm putting that on my lower lashes. I did put it on my upper lashes when I put on my, you know, my falsies, but I didn't really show that. So now you're seeing me put it on my lower lashes. And I'm gonna go head off camera now and finish my eyebrows and finish the look. And here it is, y'all, the finished Valentine's Day look. Using the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dreams palette and his new faux mink lashes. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, okay? Hit the notification bell. And I, me, myself, and all of my craziness will see you in the next one. Deuces!